Matagal ko nang gustong itanong.
Alam mo ba na ang cyberbullying ay isang krimen?
Merong kaso ng cyberbullying sa Pilipinas araw-araw.
Mayroong tao na tulad ko at tulad mo.
Na nakararanas ng lungkot, takot at depresyon. Mahirap yung pakiramdam na wala kang magawa kahit sobrang sakit na.
Pero ikaw, may magagawa ka.
Stop the pain now.
Nasa iyo ang kapangyarihang itigil to.
Before it happens to you.
Before it happens to someone you love.
Allow yourself to be this wonderful person
Who chooses heart over hate. Yung magpapalakas ng loob ng iba.
Someone who celebrates everyone's uniqueness.
Let your heart be your guide. Because hate will never ever win. Let your words be someone's inspiration.
Because you are choosing heart over hate.